Hey guys, 1965 Oldsmobile Spitfire. Look how clean this car is. He's restoring it. It looks really, really good. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done to it. Downpipes after the manifolds, downpipes on each side, and then mid pipes. And then what we did is we installed two Borla ProXS mufflers there and there, part number 40352. There'll be a link in the description and our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then two tailpipes out the back. It's all in 2-inch. That's the factory it came with, and then dumped out the back, hidden. You can't even see it. It's a beautiful work of art right there, as you guys can see. Really clean, really nice job. As always, they did an amazing job. The guys at Exhaust Addicts did amazing. Very nice, very clean. All right, guys, here it is out the back. Oldsmobile Starfire, not Spitfire, sorry, Starfire. But there it is. That's the badging on. I love the old school cars with all the different... They went so much more detail in them. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And that's everything that was on it that we cut off. It was all bent up and damaged. Wasn't done right. So we cleaned it up for him. The pipe is all new and everything. And you're wondering why we changed it? That's why. It's been hitting and wasn't bent right. Now it's nice and clean. Look, and it was hitting here too. There you go. Now you know. Oldsmobile Starfire with Borla ProXS True Dual System. I love it when they start right away. That means he had a good mechanic do it for him. Very quiet at idle. Give it gas. That's clean. It's surprisingly quiet still. Give it gas. It's still clean though. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 88.9. One more. It's clean. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? It's not too loud. It's just a nice clean tone. You know? Appreciate you bringing it in, man. It's beautiful. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue. Oldsmobile Starfire. That's a cool looking car, man. You don't see that every day. I love it. And it's really nice done on the inside too. It's all original, new seats, but like shifter, gauges, all that stuff is really clean. All right, give it gas again. Grab it, bro. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oldsmobile Starfire with full Borla ProXS cab, the True Dual System. No cats on it either. I think he's trying to catch up. Okay. We did that one too.